Hello, fitness enthusiasts. Welcome back to Fit Ostrich, your go-to channel for diving deep into the fitness world with a dash of fun and a whole lot of science. Today's journey explores the vital, often overlooked aspect of training, muscle recovery. Why do muscles need to recover? And how can we make the most of our rest days? Stick around as we unlock these secrets together. Muscle recovery isn't just a break from your workouts. It's an integral part of your fitness journey. It's during this downtime that your muscles repair from the micro tears caused by intense exercise, leading to muscle growth and increased strength. But how does this process work? And why is it so crucial for both beginners and seasoned athletes alike? Let's dive in. Imagine your body as a factory that goes into overdrive during sleep. This is when human growth hormone, HGH, levels peak, facilitating muscle repair and growth. Poor sleep quality can hinder this natural recovery process, making you more susceptible to fatigue and injuries. But it's not just about quantity. The quality of your sleep plays a pivotal role too. Let's look at how REM and deep sleep stages contribute to optimizing muscle recovery and share some tips on achieving that restorative night's sleep. Now, let's talk about fueling your recovery. Nutrition and hydration are the building blocks of muscle repair. After a workout, your body craves nutrients to repair muscle fibers and replenish energy stores. We'll explore the best post-workout foods packed with protein, complex carbs, and healthy fats, and why hydration is crucial, not just for recovery, but for overall health. From the timing of your meals to the balance of your nutrients, getting your diet right can significantly impact your recovery times and performance. Active recovery is a gentle nudge to your muscles, encouraging them to recover faster without staying completely idle. Activities like light stretching, walking, or even a leisurely bike ride can boost circulation, delivering more nutrients and oxygen to your muscles. But there's a fine line between active recovery and overexertion. Let's explore how to listen to your body and choose the right type and amount of activity on rest days. Muscle recovery isn't just physical, it's psychological too. Stress can tighten your muscles and slow down recovery, while mental fatigue can impact your motivation and performance. We'll discuss the importance of mental breaks, engaging in hobbies, and the role of meditation and mindfulness in enhancing physical recovery. Discover how mental health practices can not only improve your recovery times, but also boost your overall well-being. The ultimate tool in optimizing your rest days? Listening to your body. Recognizing the signs of fatigue and understanding the difference between being lazy and genuinely needing rest are skills that will enhance your fitness journey. We'll delve into the signals your body sends when it needs rest, and how to differentiate between good pain and bad pain, ensuring your rest days are as productive as your workouts. And there you have it, folks. A deep dive into the science of muscle recovery and making the most out of your rest days. Remember, recovery is not time lost from your training. It's an investment in your progress, health, and longevity in the fitness world. If you enjoyed this exploration into optimizing your rest days, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Fit Ostrich for more insightful content. Until next time, stay strong, embrace rest, and keep soaring to new heights in your fitness journey.